Hey guys, welcome back. So we've been talking in the last group of lectures about ways to motivate your team and overcome obstacles. But one of those potential issues your team may be worried about could be, in fact, you. If you've been hired to lead a team and you're new to the company, you'll be entering a brand new situation where you'll need to gain trust and motivate a group of people you've never worked with before. So let's talk about what to do when you're the new leader. One of the first tasks is to talk to your new boss and understand the expectations. Chances are you'll be reporting to a more senior manager or director. So ask what's expected of your team in terms of goals and then what's expected of you. Ask if there are any current issues you should be aware of, like past performance, morale issues, problems between teammates, anything. Next, you'll want to introduce yourself to your team and start setting expectations. You want to start off with a positive first impression, so introduce yourself with a low-key kind of meeting. The idea is to just let people know who you are and generally what your plans and goals are. This is a great chance for you to attach names to faces and let your new team know that you are interested in meeting them, talking with them, and hearing what they have to say. But do not drop a huge pile of tasks or changes on them the first time you meet your team. You don't want to scare them off. Take it slow, let them know you will have some discussions and meetings soon with each person to review how things are going and to hear about changes that they want to make. So then start having those meetings. Talk to each member of the team and review any existing processes, policies, and identify any problems. You're going to have to ask a lot of questions about how the team works as a whole and for each person individually. Like, how do things get done? How does work get reviewed or completed? How does communication happen? And how do conflicts get resolved? What current problem is the team facing? And individually, do you have any concerns? Now, these one-on-ones with team members aren't going to reveal all the truths about your team. You really won't know how everything is going until you've been there probably weeks or months into the job. But these first few meetings will do a few things. First of all, it'll show your new team that you are interested in hearing from them. Open and honest communication means something to you, so that's an important value to display right off the bat. Secondly, it'll give you ideas about immediate things to fix or change. Any big problem should surface during these discussions, and if you hear about the same issues from multiple people, it helps to confirm it. Be sure to ask their opinion about how to fix the problem so you can begin to consider solutions. Third thing, it'll give you clues about who to trust immediately. These conversations should help you identify who on the team is willing to talk and work through ideas, giving you options for people who could help you out as you get settled in your new role. Once you've collected all your info and have a firm grasp on how things are going for your team, it's time to set clear goals, emphasis being on clear. Let your team know what numbers they need to hit or specific level of performance that'll be expected. Don't let there be any doubt about what your expectations are. And you may set some new team policies. These refer to how you expect teammates to work together. As a leader, you're going to have certain values you believe in that you want your team to adopt. For example, if you believe teams should practice more open communication, you might require teams to share project results on an internal discussion board, so there's more transparency and chances for discussion and collaboration. If you do set new policies, explain the benefits and support your team as they adopt any new change. Unless things were really a disaster before you arrived, I advise not to make too many changes at first. If you start your time leading the team by communicating openly, there should be no surprise about any changes you make. Take things slow, consider the results over time, and continue to change things only if necessary. So these tactics should help if you're new to the company. But what if you've been promoted to lead a team you used to be a part of? Well, we'll consider that scenario in the next lecture. See you then.